Alright, so let's look at the next question from Q14, the first lot. You can pause the video and try it once and resume for the solution. So the question says surface area of a closed rectangular box which is inscribed in a sphere is 846 square centimeters and sum of all the length of its edges is 144 centimeters. The volume in cubic centimeters of the sphere is. Interesting question. We also had a similar question asked in CAT 2016, pretty much similar, but in that they had asked only the diameter of the sphere and not the volume. So let's start by assuming the length, breadth and height of the box as A, B and C centimeters. In that case, your total surface area would be twice of AB plus BC plus CA, and this has already been given to us as 846. And sum of all the lengths is 144 centimeters. Sum of all the lengths means the length will occur 4 times, so will the breadth and so will the height, because any box or a cuboid has 4 lengths, 4 breadths and 4 heights. So 4 times A plus B plus C is basically 144, and this further gives me A plus B plus C is equal to 36. I've divided both sides by 4. And now we are going to use the algebraic equation A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus twice of AB plus BC plus CA. And just putting in the values, A plus B plus C is 36. Twice of AB plus BC plus CA is 846. 36 square is 1296. 1296 is equal to this part, A square plus B square plus C square plus this is 846. Taking 846 on the left hand side, we get 450 is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. And just one last step, we take square roots on both sides. So we'll get root of A square plus B square plus C square is root of 450. Now root of 450 is a pure surd. It can be further split as root of 225 into 2, or it will become 15 root 2. So now what we have found is the body diagonal of this particular cuboid, right? Root of A square plus B square plus C square is the body diagonal of a box. And if you notice, the box is inscribed in a sphere. So the body diagonal of this particular cuboid is also the diameter of the sphere. If the diameter of the sphere is 15 root 2, the radius will be half of that. So 15 root 2 divided by 2 is my radius. It will be 15 divided by root 2. And now we know that the radius is 15 by root 2. So the volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi into 15 root 2 the whole cube. This would make it 4 by 3 into pi into 15 cube would be 15 into 15 into 15. And root 2 cube would be 2 root 2. So 3 1s are and 3 5s are gone. 2 1s are and 2 2s are gone. 2 upon root 2, I'll be left with only 1 root 2 above. 15 into 15, 225 into 5 is 1125. So 1125 remains in the numerator, 1 pi and 1 root 2 term. The answer is 1125 pi root 2. It is our B option.